So how can you block junk emails on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're not gonna miss any videos like this one. Essentially, you have more options. Like if you go to your mail app on the iPhone and check out your mailboxes, you can obviously browse your trash and junk mails and everything. And in here, in case you want to get rid of those, you can just click on it and you can block the sender. So if you don't want to receive those junk messages altogether, you can block them from they like ever sending you messages to you, and the sender will not be able to send you any emails like that. So that would be like one way of blocking that. Another method is to set up a rule for your iCloud email. So inside of these settings, you can find the apps section, and then you can check out the mail app. You can tap on mail accounts and then choose your iCloud email, where we have the ability to set up cloud mail rules. And that rule might be whatever, right? So you can, for example, choose that every email which is either from a certain person or has a subject containing a certain word, like a keyword which you want to block out, or whatever else from these options, right? You can decide that it's going to be automatically moved to trash folder, right? So it's just going to escape your attention altogether. And using these filtering rules, you can ensure that those emails will not even be like in the junk folders, but they will go directly to the trash folder, and you can avoid those emails altogether. So that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.